Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
You see that blinking light in the Orion sector? It's pulsing in Fibonacci intervals. That's not natural.
I noticed it last night. At first, I thought it was just a satellite flare, but it's been repeating exactly every 89 seconds.
You think it's a message?
More like a beacon, and it's aimed directly at Earth.
We've scanned that region 1,000 times. Nothing was ever there before.
That's what worries me. Something is there now, or maybe it always was, and we just weren't ready to see it.
The council won't act without confirmation. They're still debating if the last signal was real.
This one feels different. It's not random noise. It's structured, purposeful, almost like it's waiting for a response.
Then maybe it's time we send one, quietly, before someone else does.
Already ahead of you. The probe launches at dawn.
You always were 3 moves ahead.
And you always doubted the board existed.
Not anymore.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. This is your host Ratul. Guys, the audio which you have just listened is amazing, right? And if you want to create these type of audios, then today's video is just for you. In today's video, we will be discussing about how you can use Google's native AI speech generation feature to create 2-speaker audios. So keep watching this video till the end to learn more about this tool. We have made already one video about Google AI Studio. If you did not watch yet, just go and watch now from the playlist Artificial Intelligence for Visually Impaired from our playlist section of our channel. Guys, V.I Tech Academy is offering one-on-one personalized coaching for you. If you want to learn Python, if you want to learn screen reader, learn Excel, Word, whatever, you can connect us using our website, and there you will find many courses and you can join whatever course you want to join. From September 1st, 2025, we are going to start the next batch of fundamentals of web development with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Those who want to learn about web development, as well as if you want to learn, if you want to go to the digital accessibility field, then you have to learn this HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So without further delay, do register yourself because seats are very limited, and you can visit the page from the about page of our channel, or you can follow us on Telegram and WhatsApp. There we will post the link. So guys, without further delay, let's start today's video. To use this, you have to open Google AI Studio. I'll provide the link in the video description below. When you click on the link, it will be redirected to this page.
Chat Google AI Studio.
And here you just need to use down arrow until you find the native speech generation option.
Graph types out of menu button unavailable. What's new? Button URL button live button native speech generation.
Press enter here. And once you press enter here, it will open another small interface.
Speaker 1, hello, out head button, clear chat.
And now see here you can find these things.
Heading level 4 raw structure.
Raw structure, some structure is given here.
Below reflects how to structure your script and your API request. Speaker 1, hello world, edit multi-line, read aloud in a warm, welcoming tone.
Okay, so
Speaker 1, hello, we're excited to show you read aloud in a warm, loud of Speaker 1,
Speaker
hello
1.
world, edit multi-line, read aloud in a warm, welcoming tone.
Okay, so here
Main landmark, dot, blank,
see.
dot, stop, get, 2, placeholder. Read aloud in a warm, welcoming tone. Speaker 1, hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities. Speaker 2, where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started. Much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
Okay, so here what you can do is you can give the proper instructions. Okay, you can write down the
Speaker
instructions
1,
here.
hello, we're excited.
And below
Speaker
that,
2,
see.
where you can placeholders to out of edit heading level 4 script builder. Style instructions.
Okay, so
Heading
now
style
see
instructions.
script builder. So here you can build the script. This is very useful if you're a content creator.
Style instructions, edit multi-line, read aloud in a warm, welcoming tone.
This is a style instruction.
Out of edit circle speaker 1. Button delete dialog.
So you can delete the speaker. The delete button will available at just below of the speaker.
Speaker 1 dialog edit multi-line. Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
So here you need to enter the first dialog.
Out of edit circle speaker 2.
Speaker 2.
Button delete dialog.
You can delete this dialog.
Speaker 2 dialog edit multi-line where you can direct the voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit the
Okay, so now I have one short script here.
star Alex, you see that Mira, I know.
Alex and Mira. So I replace them with speaker 1 and speaker 2.
Alex, call you. Why? You see it. Copy.
And now let me just go back to this
Chat Google AI.
and go to the speaker 1's first dialog.
Speak out of edit.
How to find? Let's see.
Circle speaker 1. Out of heading level 4 style instruction.
First style instruction. So let me just instructing
Read aloud in the
scene.
warm, welcoming tone selected. Blank.
Read aloud
Allow. A.
in a
Store. Telling.
tone like two people are talking. Okay,
Not
so
talk,
talk,
are
not
people.
people, two
People
friends.
select A,
Let me
are
just do.
E-A-R-F space. Friends. Read aloud in a storytelling tone like two friends are talking. Blank dot blank.
Okay, so this is my instruction. See, to run AI properly, you need to give the right prompt. So if your prompt is more optimized, then you will get the exact result you want. So let me press down arrow.
Out of edit circle speaker 1.
Speaker
Button
1.
delete dialogue. Speaker 1
No, I
dialogue
just changed
edit
the
multi-
dialogue.
Speaker. Hello. Blank. Paste. Blank. You see that link
See,
in line
first-
in the Orion sector? It's
first
pulsing in
dialogue
Fibonacci
I
intervals.
changed.
That's not natural.
Now I'm pressing tab here.
Delete dialogue button.
Now I don't want to delete it.
Speaker 2 dialogue edit multi-line where you can direct the
Okay, so here I need to paste the speaker 2
star
dialogue.
Mira, I know M I Alec Mira, I know M-I-R-A space I noticed it last speaker where you blank paste blank. I noticed
See.
it last night. At first I thought it was just a satellite flare, but it's been repeating exactly every 89 seconds.
Okay, so then next I'm pressing tab again.
Add dialogue run button. Add dialogue button.
So here you can add a new dialogue. So let me add another dialogue. I'm pressing enter here. And when you press enter here, see.
Add dialogue button focused. Run button. Add dialogue button. Circle speaker 2. Button delete dialogue. Sir speaker 1 dialogue edit multi-line start typing dialogue here.
See, silently the dialog box is added. You cannot get it, right? I mean, screen reader does not announce. So for this, we use up arrow down arrow. So
Out of
see,
Sir speaker 2 dialogue edit multi-line. Repeating exactly every
See,
89
still-
seconds.
this we have done, right?
Out of edit circle speaker 1.
Then again speaker 1.
Button delete dialogue.
But if you need that, okay, speaker 2 have more dialogue, then you can delete this.
Speaker 1 dialogue edit multi-line start typing. Speaker 1 blank.
So let's type
Star
the next
Alex.
dialogue.
Alex whole space. Why? You think it's a carriage return on Mira Alex. You think it's a message? Mira Alex. You think you. Why? You think it's speaker 1 paste blank.
Okay. Next, I'm just going down.
You
See,
think it's a message?
this is a speaker 1 second dialogue.
Blank. Out of edit circle speaker 2. Button delete dialogue. Speaker 2 dialogue edit speak. Blank.
So let me
Stop Mira. M-I-R-A whole space.
enter the next dialogue.
More like cop file collapse text chat speaker 2 paste blank out of
See.
edit button delete dialogue speaker 2 dialogue edit multi-line more like a beacon and its aim direct.
So this way we can add as much as dialogue we need. So just give me few minutes. I will add another dialogues. Then I'll come back to the video. In the meantime, you can subscribe our YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. So after writing the prompt, we just need to click on run button.
Out of edit button add clickable podcast transcript clickable button run.
So I'm just clicking on run button and it won't give you any progress bar or anything, but our speech is being generated. Let's wait for few seconds or minutes depending on your length of the script. After it's generated, it will start playing automatically.
You see that blinking light in the Orion sector? It's pulsing in Fibonacci intervals. That's not natural.
I noticed it last night. At first, I thought it was just a satellite flare, but it's been repeating exactly every 89 seconds.
You think it's a message?
More like a beacon. And it's aimed directly at Earth.
We've scanned that region 1,000 times. Nothing was ever there before.
That's what worries me. Something is there now. Or maybe it always was. And we just weren't ready to see it.
The council won't act without confirmation. They're still debating if the last signal was real.
This one feels different. It's not random noise. It's structured, purposeful. Almost like it's waiting for a response.
Then maybe it's time we send one. Quietly. Before someone else does.
Already ahead of you. The probe launches at dawn.
You always were 3 moves ahead.
And you always doubted the board existed.
Not anymore.
Okay, so now guys, our audio has been generated. So let's see where you can see this audio. To see your audio, just press Ctrl+N to go to the end of the page.
Button run settings.
So I'm just going up.
Speaker 2 settings region clickable.
So from here you can choose the speaker 1 and speaker 2's name and their voices. And then if you click on run button again, then with your new settings, the prompt will be run. Prompt will be used and the audio native speech will be generated. But now I'll be going to show you how you can check. We can get it.
Head clickable speaker.
I'm just pressing up
Head out
arrow.
of speaker 1. Head clickable speaker. Head out heading level 3 voice settings. Sep clickable heading level 3 model settings. Button expand separate. Clickable button multi-speak. Clickable button heading level 3 mode. Clickable combo button closer button reset the heading level 2 run setting. But grouping unavailable menu button sub menu show more media control.
Show more media control. So this is our play pause
speaker
options.
1 dialog out of edit button add dialog. Grouping unavailable button play.
See, play button is there.
Audio time scrub button mute.
Mute button is there, and this
Menu button sub menu show more me out of group.
show more
grouping
media controls. I think
Download media.
Yeah, you can download this media.
Show playback speed menu 2 of 2.
Show playback speed and download
Download
media. If you
media
just
1
press
of 2.
enter here, and you will be able to download this audio in MP3 format in your system.
Clickable.
So guys, this is how you need to use this tool to generate native speech for your work or for just personal use. Now you can use it for free, but maybe you need to pay in future. Though I just want to remind you, these features are specially created for the developers to test the feature of Google API for this particular service. So use with caution. And we are not responsible for anything loss or damage or any misuse of this tool by you. This video is completely for educational purpose, and if you guys do any wrong thing, it is totally your responsibility. So I hope you really liked it. If so, please press the like button and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting content with screen readers. That's it guys for today. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, bye bye.